What's inside the jet? So let's take a look. The first thing you see, you have wood floors and these unusual seats. It's 22 inches wide and it reclines by 45 degrees. You have outlets next to your seat that you can plug in all your devices, including cup holders. They do have a cup holder by each seat. Another thing that they have is they have this wonderful little tray that pulls out that it can hold a laptop. Hello everyone, this is Jackie White, your travel advisor, and today I'm going from Washington, D.C. to New York City on this bus called the Jet, which is a luxury bus. So let's ride with me. And this is our affordable first class luxury experience that you would have on a private jet, but it's affordable and it's convenient in the form of a motor coach. Normally, the price starts at $99 one way, and you can also upgrade. So for the upgrade, it is additional $8 for a premium seat. So as you can see here, I'm in row 3, and the configuration is a 2-1 configuration. 2 seats on one side, 1 seat on the other, although single seats are premium. So as we leave DC, the attendant that is on board with us gives us a few tips. So here they are. First one is, please remain seated as much as possible. And if you do have to get up, hold on to a rail. There's a rail that's above the seats that you can hold on to make sure that you don't fall into anyone else. Now, let me tell you a little bit about these seats. It has a gel foam base as well as memory foam backing and lumbar support. It's phenomenal. Now, as we go down I-95, there's one more thing that you will experience on this bus, which is the snacks. Currently, they offer these snacks, but in the future, they plan on offering more meals. They do offer beer, wine, and coffee, which is also included in the price. Now, one of the things that you might think about since the pandemic hit is air quality on any space enclosed. And they have a UV filtration system that kills 99.9% of germs. But it's time for a coffee. And I got a cappuccino. Which is really wonderful. And here, you see the amount of leg room I have. Whee! Yes, no matter your size, you have plenty of leg room here. You even have a place to hang your purse or bag on the side as well. Now, as you can see here, the windows are clean and huge. Very easy for you to look out and to enjoy, for me, the trees as we go down the road. And I want to remind you, if you get an opportunity, just hit that subscribe button. If you have any comments or ready to book the jet, my contact information is below. So let's continue. You cross over a lot of bridges, and you can see some amazing water and maybe some boats along the way. Now above your seat, you have your reading lights and a call button for the attendant if you want to have any additional snacks or drinks. Now, there's one thing I know we all love, which is Wi Fi. It is included in the price. There is no lagging on this Wi Fi. This Wi Fi is outstanding. You will not have any lags or buffers or anything on your entertainment. Now, you have to bring your entertainment with you and, of course, your earplugs, but you will love this Wi Fi. So, let's enjoy this scenery as we head towards New York. And this is a great opportunity to actually get a lot of your work done if that's what you choose. Or sit back, relax, look at the different places along the way, and take a nap, which is another great option that you have. Now, another wonderful thing is that I can actually book the exact seat that you want on the jet. So there's no need for arriving extra early or any kind of queue, making the boarding process smooth and seamless. And as you see, I bet those people don't have only 14 people on the bus. An air filtration system that kills 99% of the germs. And hover seats that are first in the industry. So let's continue. Now, there's another thing that let me tell you about, which is the location where you can pick up the jet. It will be located on the corner of 565 13th Street Northwest, Washington, D.C. So they do not have a bus terminal. So please consider where you're going to park at when you take the jet. Further, I didn't worry about my security because it's in an upscale location that had cafes and hotels that are nearby. So now we're crossing the bridge, and this is the first amount of traffic that we encountered. So when you take the jet, please make sure that you are definitely aware of the arrival time and that you leave enough time in between. So let's take a look at this wonderful water as we pass over this bridge. There's an additional feature, shades. So if you have a lot of sun coming in, the attendant is more than happy to pull down a shade so that way you don't have light in your eyes. And it's time for a drink. This is some wine that they have. Now let's take a look at the restroom. Beautiful mirror and a touchless sink. Great water pressure. You have your hand soap and sanitizer. And as you see, look at this. Clean and spacious. It has a hold-on bar. So that way you don't have to worry about falling. They even have an outlet here if you want to plug something in. Here I am. Hi. And we have a ceiling to floor mirror. So that way you know you're ready when you come out of the restroom. So now as I get closer to New York, I wanted to talk to you about a few things. And the first thing is some of the things I loved about Jet. The first is the seat. You float like a butterfly in this seat. The next is food. The snacks were great. And of course, the service of the attendant, she was just 10 stars. Don't forget the Wi-Fi, which was outstanding. There's no lagging in that. That's some of the best parts of riding on the Jet. Now, the cons are that traffic can be a nightmare for you. So plan accordingly that you give yourself way more time when you finally arrive into New York. And another thing, our drop-off location, again, is in a great area that you don't have to worry about, which is 565 West 33rd Street, which is located in the Hudson Yards campus area. I also like to remind you that after you ride on the Jet the first time, you actually are signed up for what's called a Jet Set, which is their rewards program, which is a great way to earn additional points. So I have a question for you. Would you take this luxury bus into New York to start your New York vacation off the right way? Let me know in the comments below. And I'll see you in the next video.